Don't let his ass get on the rock. Damn.
Damn. I'm gonna let him take it. And I so I can do it, gonna break.
Boy. Don't pull too much, Daddy.
Huh?
I said, don't pull too much. You're gonna have to let his ass take it, bro. You're gonna have to let this whole be a mean ass fight. Yeah, come this way. You know, they can't let his ass get on the rocks. Just keep running on the rocks. We got all these rocks over here, Daddy. You gotta hurry up. Don't follow them green rocks. Oh, slippery as hell. Them right there, slippery as hell. My pole gonna go in the water and shit.
That motherfucker fighting, boy. Damn, the water coming. That motherfucker is fighting.
But my pole gonna fall in the water, bro.
Bro, fuck your phone, bro. I'll buy you another one.
Come this way, Daddy.
See this him?
Huh?
See this him?
I don't know.
Hey, y'all be, bro.
You see his ass? What the fuck is that?
Don't even look that big.
Keep reeling his ass in. What is it? I can't see. Daddy, you over here. Come over here. You right here. You heard me? You right here, Daddy. You gotta run over here. He right here. Is that a red? What you want me to do?
Getting wet, bro.
You want me to get that net?
Nah. I'm pulling in.
Ain't no way. We got too many rocks right here.
I'm pulling in. There's him.
Yeah, bro. Oh shit, Daddy. Better hurry your ass up. Come over here. Run your ass over here. Here, we gotta reel in before you get across that pool. You right here. Oh yeah, reel in. Damn. What the fuck is that?
Oh, he's a no, bro. He's fighting so bad, bro.
You want me to jump in the water?
No, nigga.
Oh shit. Did it? Shit. Let his ass. I don't know. Can't see. Is that a big ass sheep? Is that a drum? Damn, I'm confused, bro. You want me to get in the water? Damn, bro. Oh, huge. You have to grab that motherfucker, bro. Huh?